Alright, so I got a flat, big ass bolt in the run flat tire. I looked on YouTube, different videos saying you can plug them. Also saying to be careful because you can't drive on a run flat because it melts the inside if the tire's flat. But I was on the highway, Florida 417 route, on my way to work at midnight or like 11:30 last night, and I'm hoping I didn't melt anything on the inside because these tires are like $300 installed. But so I got a jack, and inside here you got these panels, or not panels but plastic or rubber. The Mini Cooper doesn't have typical, spots to jack a vehicle up. So I found a frame, bolt. I used that, and I have this on the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but kind of holding the support, the weight, so this way it doesn't fall, because the jack has a tendency to roll, so I don't want it to roll out. There is a spot here that it says you can put a jack, but I can't seem to get the jack far enough away so I can put the stand, so I'm gonna have to deal with that. So now I'm gonna take this off, but I'm gonna pause it. Alright, so I got it off, trying not to scratch my rims or crack anything. Probably should change the brake pads too, but I didn't get the pads, so. Alright, so looking on the vehicle, or on the wheel here, it was a bolt, and now there's a gaping hole. There it is. I really hope that I can use the plugs that I have. Not sure. The plugs I got is this. Oh boy, if I can, I'm gonna be screwed. Here goes nothing. Alright, so run flats have steel braiding inside. I tried to ream out the hole enough so that the tire, what's it called? A tar strip or whatever will stick. I'm not sure if it's going to work. I might have to use two. It's probably not very safe, but hopefully this works. Alright, so I sprayed a little bit of rubber seal in there, Flex Seal. What I did was I scraped with the reamer the metal braiding inside, and then what I did was I sprayed that Flex Seal, only because I was trying to create surface area, rubber type surface area for this tar strip to stick to. So I'm gonna let that cure for a little bit, maybe 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna put this inside there. Hopefully it works. I don't know. I'm trying 2 strips. Probably not gonna work. I'm not even sure, but let's see what happens. So right now I got my tire in the sun, trying to make that Flex Seal cure faster. I accidentally dropped it on the front, and now I scratched up my rims. Dang it. Gotta change these brakes. All that brake dust is coming from the brakes. I mean the brakes. Gotta change it soon. Kinda hard to tell, but yeah, right there. Definitely needs to be changed soon.